If your team keeps complaining about slow internet, frozen video calls, or files that take forever to open, you're not just losing patience, you're losing money. Every time somebody waits on a spinning wheel, that's payroll you're paying for zero output. Here's a quick checklist. First, your hardware. Old routers, cheap switches, or messy cabling create bottlenecks that slow everyone down. Second, priorities. If video calls, cloud apps, and file syncs all fight for your bandwidth, nothing runs well. You need settings that prioritize business-critical apps. Third, monitoring. If you only notice issues when staff complain, well, you're already late. Proactive monitoring spots failing gear and slowdowns before they hit your team. If you don't want to play network detective, visit our website and schedule a call with us. We'll remotely review your setup, pinpoint what's actually slowing you down, and give you 2 to 3 specific fixes to speed things up. No long-term contract, just a clear plan to get your team moving faster again.